Wow. Freakin' Cody Rhodes. He suffered that vicious injury. That, oh my gosh. I can't even speak. He still won that match. I'm surprised he even competed because that was bad. I mean, oh man. That freaking, jeez. A torninistis off the bone or something is what it's called. He's still feeling that. He needs to do something about that. I'm sorry, I can't really speak. But, you know, that was, jeez, that injury is gruesome. Well, props to freaking Cody Rhodes, a freaking legend in my book already. Wow. But I think he's gonna miss some time here. He's got to fix that. He can't just leave it like that. He's got to fix that. Come on, man. You got to get the surgery. But great win by Cody Rhodes. Hopefully now Seth freaking Rollins won't bother him anymore. But then again, Cody's gonna get surgery. We won't be seeing him for a while. I'm gonna miss you. Get well soon.
Discuss the pectoral tear that Cody suffered the week leading up.
Oh my goodness. Dude, he's a freaking legend after this. He's a freaking legend. Oh my goodness. Freaking Cody Rhodes is still here. Wow. Oh my gosh, that was just unbelievable. This man's a legend already. He's a freaking legend already after that.
Welcome to Monday Night Raw.
Oh my goodness.
So
yeah, thank you indeed. Wow, what a performance.
that's stuff like that. It certainly fills up my heart. I can't say I don't love it, but I do want to say this. I just saw all those comments on social media, comments made directly, things said about the effort last night at Hell in the Cell, people praising it and loving it and having reverence for what I was able to do. I want to tell you that I don't necessarily believe in that simply because it is a privilege to do what I do.
Yeah, torn pectoral.
I love you too, buddy. You have no clue how much. I will admit that tearing my pectoral tendon completely off the bone.
Oh, it's pectoral tendon.
Is demoralizing, no doubt, but I do not want to be sad. I do not want to be melancholy. I do not want to be downtrodden. We talk a lot about the other Rhodes in my family. There's one that you have not been introduced to yet. Those of you who don't know, I have a daughter.
Aww.
And when she is old enough, I want her to watch what happened last night, and I want her to know that in the darkest of times, in what could have been the lowest point in my career, in what could have been the absolute worst night, in what was literal hell, I was not cynical, I was not jaded, I stood, I fought. And I fought against one of the very best superstar wrestlers in the history of our game, Seth Freakin Rollins. Yeah, I don't like him either. The chapter, the trilogy.
Hopefully it's over.
It's been written. The book is closed. It's in the archives.
Hopefully.
I am officially done with Seth Rollins.
Hopefully. Next up's recovery.
So with that in mind, I want to talk about what's above me.
Money in the Bank.
The Money in the Bank briefcase, more so the contract inside, has eluded me my entire career. And certainly, I am a little banged up at the moment, but in 4 weeks' time, if somehow, if some way, I was able to climb the ladder, I was able to grab said briefcase, I was able to cash that sucker in and become the WWE Undisputed Universal Champion.
That would be awesome. Let's go. What I'm talking about. Oh, come on, man. I thought we were done with Seth freaking Rollins. Come on. Jeez. Seth's not happy. He's limping, too. He got injuries as well. No, maybe Seth's gonna respect Cody now. I mean, you gotta respect him. I don't care if you're a bad guy. Oh, Seth freaking Rollins is here again. But maybe let's see what he has to say. Maybe he's done too. He's gonna respect Cody now.
I still do not like you.
Okay, but
after what you put yourself through last night, you have earned my respect.
Yeah! Woo! That's how you finish the chapter.
And the world is saying maybe one of the gutsiest performances in the history of this industry. And that's the truth. Because you are, without a doubt, the toughest person I have ever been in this ring with.
Nice. Wow.
And I know I'm the last person you need to hear this from. But Dusty is very, very
Aww.
boy right now.
Aww. That was so nice. Only trying so hard not to cry. Oh my gosh.
You came out here the night after WrestleMania to show me respect. You shook my hand. I came out here for no other reason than to return the favor.
I trust him now. I trust him. This will be heartbreaking if Seth attacks Cody. I will be so heartbroken if he attacks Cody. But no, he is not going to. The handshake is complete. And even Seth's going to get a little hug, whisper in the ear. And that's all. Gonna walk away. What respect. Oh my god. That was so beautiful. That was gorgeous. Oh man, that was nice. It is officially over, man. That was awesome. Oh my gosh. We'll be seeing Cody for a little bit while. He's got to recover that vicious wound. The surgery. And yeah. So we're going to miss you, Cody, but can't wait to see you back.
hours. That remains to be seen, but
He served was like 4 months recovery or something. No! No! Seth! Oh my god! Oh my god, he just hit Cody with a sledgehammer in the back of the neck. Oh my freaking goodness. Are you kidding me? Oh, and then he's gonna rip the suit off. Oh gosh, revealing that vicious wound. Oh, I should have known. Oh my gosh. Oh man, it's just. Oh my gosh. Yeah, get the fix. Oh my gosh. Seth Rollins has a freaking sledgehammer. Do not do this. Oh my gosh. Oh, just stomping on that wound. Oh my gosh, kidding me. And he's poking it with the sledgehammer. He's poking that wound with the bottom of the sledgehammer. Oh, you better not use the sledgehammer. Oh, now he's rubbing the sledgehammer on that wound. Oh my goodness, are you freaking kidding me? By the way, that one official is Curtis Axel. Oh my gosh. Cody's gonna be out for a bit. Oh my gosh. Jeez, oh gosh, that move.
Back to Monday Night Raw with your
Crying out loud, I can't believe Seth freaking Rollins did that. They have the stretcher ready, but I don't know if Cody. He's still down in pain. He wants to get up though. He doesn't want no freaking stretcher. Oh my gosh, the pain that he's in, man. Just having that vicious bruise, that wound, a torn pectoral muscle. Oh man. I'm just glad that thing's not infected or nothing, you know? I mean, just saying. Oh gosh, he really needs to get that, but he's trying to get up, he can't. Alright, he's on his feet, but he may need help from the freaking officials. Oh my gosh. Who's that in the ring? Alright, Cody's actually gonna probably sit down on the. Is he gonna sit on the stretcher? He's saying, no, 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 no. I don't want no stretcher. I don't want no stretcher. I'm good. I'm good. Oh my gosh. Whoever that movie. Oh jeez. Cody, don't turn your back again, man. And Cody's gonna at least walk out here. But freaking Seth Rollins, my gosh. Jeez. Oh, it's at this side, but still. Gosh. I need it. Remember that.
Through the duration of his career, I have justified nearly everything Seth Rollins has done. I consider Seth Rollins a friend. What we just witnessed was one of the most reprehensible, disgusting acts I have ever seen by any member of the roster, male or female, in my entire tenure in WWE. Uncalled for. Shame on you, Seth Rollins. Disgusting.
That's right. Good job, Corey. That was disgusting. That was terrible. I cannot believe he did that. Oh my gosh. Jeez.